All right, in this lesson, really quick one on layers. And we're not going to touch on all the things here because, again, I just want you guys to be able to use it to start with. We'll actually kind of expand on this the further we get into this. But you're going to start every canvas with one background layer and one pixel layer. So we're going to be drawing on the pixel layer with a pixel brush. And we're going to draw on the pixel layer, okay? Now I'm just going to make a color here just so we've got something to look at using one of the watercolor brushes. Now just to the right of the little layer images, you're going to see a couple of things, and I'm highlighting them now over here on the right. You might be able to see that. You have the new layer window, which when you press that, it's going to make a new layer. Two finger to undo. If you hold on new layer, you've got an option to choose a vector layer. Now, we're not going to use vector layers in this course unless we do some inking stuff at some point, but pixel is what our option is going to be for regular drawing and painting, is always use a pixel layer. But for our purposes in this course, we're going to be using pixel layers. The eyeball will toggle the visibility. This doesn't delete it, it just hides it. The little button there is a clipping mask. We're not going to mess with that yet. We'll talk about that later. And then you've got a couple of adjustment layers that we'll touch on at the end. The 3-button menu will bring up lots of options for layers that we're going to get into later on in the course as we need it. And then the last thing about the layers is up here at the top right there, you can see that you can toggle that, where the layers show up with this button up here at the top. The one right below that are the layer properties, which again, we don't need at this point, but that's what that is. We can keep that hidden. Snapping and grids, again, we're not going to mess around with any of this stuff right now. We don't really need it. And then you've got a place to make comments because I guess you can share these files in the Adobe Cloud. I don't use those functions and we're not going to talk about them in this course. But if you want to do things like change a blending mode and things like that, you will click on the little layer properties window up here to do that. We'll talk about that later too. Okay, I think that's actually all of the housekeeping sort of boring stuff about the app. Oh yeah, one last thing. Up here at the top right, there's a full screen option. So if you're like just going to be drawing for a while, doing something and you're not going to need all this stuff, you can click that. It'll clean the screen up, makes it a little bit neater. You can still open up everything and touch it and click on it and do everything. It just doesn't show it all on the screen. So we have covered the launch interface. We have covered the tools, the layers, the brushes, enough anyway. So in the next lesson, we start drawing.